All right, last job of the day. Nick here. I gotta run to the shop. I'm gonna go dump some debris. But Nick's gonna do a little shrub trimming job for one of our really good customers. So he's just gonna touch all this stuff up. He's gonna ask the customer first kind of how low he wants some of this, because he was talking about chopping some of it down pretty good. So, you know, we do this every 2 or 3 months for this customer, so it should make a pretty good difference. All right, guys, just finished up this little shrub trimming job. Probably took about 2 hours total for Nick. I helped him out for about 30 minutes, but it turned out pretty well. We cut them back more than we usually do here, so that always takes a lot longer. But that's it. It's about 3 o'clock. We're finishing up. About a 7-hour day, so not too bad. Got 2 mulch jobs knocked out, and then this small shrub trimming job.